Afri-Key Herbal Institute.
If a bone is broken, in orthodox way, they tell you about 8 weeks before formation comes in. But in a traditional way, I will tell you before 6 weeks, he will work with it.
Join us on a transformative journey at Afri-Key Herbal Institute. You can step into a world where nature meets innovation, where you can discover the profound power of nature firsthand, where ancient herbal traditions blend with modern advancements in healthcare.
May your lecture at Afri-Key Herbal Institute. Ya transiyen hune say, ya liye na kunipa short. Eti Afri-Key ya fatu ya honso. Say, okwanya ebe fasu enipa, ebe nya yaresantem. Ano na Afri-Key. Yeah. Iniyama oduma kumabo eni nyina no Afri-Key echere.
At Afri-Key Herbal Institute, you will master the art of natural healing through hands-on experience. Our students learn how to harness the potency of herbs, preparing them to lead in herbal entrepreneurship and sustainable healthcare. Become a guardian of natural wellness and a pioneer in herbal medicine with Afri-Key Herbal Institute and unlock nature's secrets with us. Enroll now online or in person at our location in Insawam, Insomnia. Contact us on 059-333-0505 or 059-581-0973 to start your journey today. Afri-Key Herbal Institute, unlocking the secret of nature's healing.